What is the largest ice shelf? Have you ever wondered about the massive ice structures that float in our oceans? One of the most impressive is the Ross Ice Shelf, located in Antarctica. This ice shelf is the largest in the world, covering an area of about 500,000 square kilometers, which is roughly the size of France or the Yukon Territory in Canada. Imagine that. The Ross Ice Shelf stretches approximately 800 kilometers across and features ice cliffs that rise between 50 to 60 meters above the ocean's surface. However, the majority of its ice mass, around 90%, is hidden beneath the water. This makes it a colossal floating ice platform that can be several hundred meters thick. The Ross Ice Shelf floats over the southern part of the Ross Sea and includes features like Roosevelt Island. It serves as a barrier, holding back ice from the Antarctic interior. This is important because it influences sea level rise. If the Ross Ice Shelf were to collapse completely, it could potentially raise global sea levels by about 15 meters. That is a significant amount of water. In the context of climate change, the Ross Ice Shelf plays a vital role in stabilizing the Antarctic ice sheet. As ocean temperatures warm, the melting or disintegration of this ice shelf could speed up the flow of glaciers into the sea. This would contribute to rising sea levels, which is a growing concern for coastal communities around the world. The surrounding Ross Sea is mostly covered by sea ice for much of the year. This makes it challenging to monitor the melting patterns of the ice shelf year-round. Historically, the Ross Ice Shelf has experienced collapses during warmer periods, showing that it is vulnerable to climate changes. The stability of the Ross Ice Shelf is essential for maintaining the current balance of ice in Antarctica. It also controls the rate of sea level rise caused by polar ice melt. Keeping an eye on this massive ice shelf can provide important information about the changes happening in our polar regions due to climate change. So, the next time you think about ice shelves, remember that the Ross Ice Shelf is not just the largest. It is also a key player in our planet's climate system and sea level regulation. Its health and stability are crucial for understanding the impacts of climate change on our world.